In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to manage Linux services. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is type this command: systemctl list-units. Hit enter and you get the Linux services. And so first hit enter a couple of times, and right now I'm going to show you the service that I'm going to be managing. It's going to be the cops dot service. This is a service for managing printing in Linux. Okay, so now let me try to exit out of this by typing WQ, and let me clear the screen so it's easier to see. And what I'm going to do first is type systemctl disable cops.service. So this is a way to disable this service. I'm going to hit enter. So if we use the systemctl list-units, we won't see this particular service anymore. So what I'm going to do next is type systemctl is-enabled and type the name of the service is cops.service, and it says it's disabled. In order to enable it, I need to type systemctl enable cops.service. I misspelled it. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is type again systemctl is enabled cops.service, and it's enabled. Okay, so other things that you need to do is, let's just say you wanted to start a service. Type systemctl start, let's say cops.service. You would start it, and if you just want to check it, you can check it through systemctl list-units. And if you want to stop the service, you don't want to disable it but just want to stop it, type systemctl stop cops.service. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is type, let's say if you wanted to restart the service, you would type sys. First I have to start it, so, and then let's say if I type systemctl restart cops.service, so this way you will be able to restart this service. And that's about it, everyone. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.